I'm Chuck Early, owner of Chuck Wagon Western Decor here in Oklahoma and Missouri. We currently have 4 locations in a warehouse. We provide Western home decor, furniture, some apparel, gift items. Some of the goals of Chuck Wagon Western Decor is we're just here to focus on the family operations of a business and helping customers understand what they're purchasing and not just be a number, not be just an invoice. We're actually selling them something for their home and for something for future generations to approve of. Idealpos has really helped develop our understanding and fundamentals of how to continue the flow of operation without micromanaging daily operations as to what merchandise has been sold, what needs to be ordered, who's got stuff on back orders, to keep everybody's connections together. So for the past several years, we were actually looking at a better POS program. We weren't a company that needed a massive database program that was very expensive. After breaking it down and going through the demo program, I realized then that, hey, this is definitely something that would streamline our process and streamline our checking out system. There may be a certain particular chair. The chair may have several different designs. I'm able to put a picture of the actual design on the POS so the clerk knows which one the customer is actually wanting. Also allowing me to itemize the inventory on each individual design and colors. It's a lot easier to simplify it down for the clerk, make it as simple for the customer, and when they make that purchase, it streamlines all my invoices and it notifies the warehouse if it's a product they don't have here at the store, something that the warehouse will then transfer to this store, and it just kind of helps connect all those dots together. Idealpos has a seamless integration to the First American payment terminal. Our processing of debit and credit cards are secure, reliable, and EMV certified. Idealpos has several different platforms of training. They've got it set up to where it keeps it very simple. It keeps it down to the basic minimum. The support for the new POS has been phenomenal. They've actually assigned specific team members to our account. Anytime we have issues, problems, concerns, questions, we just send them a message and they immediately respond. Numerous times it's been over the weekend, early mornings, late evenings. Being retail, our hours vary. It's definitely something that will take you to the next level. Keep your payroll system down, your accounting down. It'll allow you to merge everything together under a fingertip. So I highly recommend this for any company that wants to find more time to develop your business and less time worrying about the administrative, computerized paperwork on the back end.